Hey lovelies, welcome back to our weekly tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to make this front knotted twist dress. Okay, very beginner friendly, and it's something you want to try out. If this is your first time of coming across us on this space, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share our content. Also turn on post notifications so we'll dive right into the video. So I already have my lines marked out. It's a v-neck line, so that's the first thing I did, was cut out the v-neck lines. So now I'm going to be shifting my dad's positions. So this is my marking to shift my dart. If you just follow what I'm doing, you're going to get it exactly. So I extend my lines that way. I also extend my line to the center of my shoulder. So I separate the upper bodies from the skirt part like so. So next thing you're going to do is start to close up your dart. So I close it up, the bust dart and also the waist dart. After closing up my dart, I now transfer my dart, more like I'm moving my dart to my shoulder part because I need that part to spread. Okay, so I open up my dart and now move it to my shoulder line like this so that I can be able to spread. I do the same thing for the skirt part. I close up my dart. I also transfer my dart to the other line I have marked like that. So after closing up and transferring your dart, it will be able to spread out to as wide as you want it, because it's the more the fullness of your knot or your twist in front depends on how wide you are able to spread your dart. So after spreading it out, I transfer it to my fabric and I tape it down. You can also transfer to paper first, but I transferred it straight to my fabric, tape it down and cut everything out. So after cutting it, this is what you have. Then you take it to your sewing machine and we'll start the sewing process. So you now place two of them facing each other. The way I place it now, I'm going to sew and leave like 1 inch spacing where I'll be able to insert the other side. After sewing, you see that part where my finger can pass through. You insert the other side like that, twist it and meet each other again. So you now take it to the sewing machine, shift it as far as you can, then sew that part close. After sewing it, now we have the waistline joining already done. It's now time to close up. Now for the lower part, you can now choose to leave that part if you want to make it a slit, or I closed mine. You can choose to leave it. If you leave it, it becomes a slit. So this is what it looks like when you're done. I hope it's something you try out, and you can see that it's very beginner friendly, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.